Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today for one of my cards in my I'm not making 5 cards, in my 5-minute series. I panicked myself then. I thought I struggled to get 1 card in 5 minutes, let alone 5 cards in 5 minutes. Today I'm using the Pretty Birds photopolymer stamp set. So this is from the annual catalogue. I haven't used it yet and I'm really looking forward to having a play. It's a double step stamp, which means that you can stamp the outline and then stamp the inside and then stamp another one in. So as you can see here, you'd be able to stamp the outline in your black or whichever colour you wanted to, put his feathers in perhaps, I don't know, a Sahara sand colour, and then give him a nice colourful tummy and he will look absolutely beautiful. Exactly the same with this one, over the fact that this one here fits with it and this one here fits with it and this one here fits with that one. So you can actually keep building these sets up and they're going to be really good fun. These here go over this one, and I think this is what I'm going to play with today on my 5-minute card. So I have nattered for 1 minute and 15 seconds. So let's get started and see how we go. Right. 10.5 by 14.8, and as I said, I'm going to play with these ones today up here. New stamp set, all the fun of having new stamp sets. So that one, and then the infill for the birds, and also the twig for the bird. Okay, so first up, the outline, and I'm going to do the outline in my Memento ink. Okay. Oh, I've just realised this is going to be slightly longer than 5 minutes because I've just realised there's no sentiments on this set. So I'm going to have to very quickly look for another set. There's got to be one around my desk. I'm not going to lose my 5 minutes that actually has sentiments on it. There's got to be. Right, okay, I'm going to do these in soft sea foam because I don't want to do them in brown, but they're all going to be the same colour. So I'm just going to do them in soft sea foam. I feel that's going to give them some colour, but not loads. So I'm quite all right with that. Just line it up and pop it down. Ta-da! Oh, isn't that lovely? And then I've got the stalk of the branch, which I'm going to do in crumb cake. I had got soft suede out, but I feel now I've done this in soft sea foam, soft suede would have just been too dark for it. So I'm just going to line that up over the, oh, that's simple. This is going to be done in well before 5 minutes, well before 5 minutes. So I've got Happiness Abounds on my desk, and I am going to put on here, send you many thanks for all you do. I really can't spend this much time looking for sentiments because it's just asking for trouble, that is, isn't it? So sending many thanks for all that you do. Simple, simple. Line it up, pop it underneath. Woohoo! Okay, let's do some shading because you know I always love shading these products. I'm gonna shade it in crumb cake, and I'm just gonna grab some scrap grid paper because I don't like shading on my pretty grid paper. It's all nice and clean. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm just going to shade in from the sides. There we go. Keep shading, keep shading, keep shading. I've been getting some really good feedback actually for my 5-minute projects, which is making me so happy. I know I don't really get time to respond to all of them. It's because I normally get one day like today and make like a million sort of cards, and then sort of like in a month later or a month and a half later manage to find another day and again make all my cards in one go. But it just makes me really happy when I do get time to sit down and go through all my comments that people have actually been really positive. It's made me really smile. So thank you ever so much for all those who have said they're enjoying my 5-card series. 5-card series. I've done it again. I'm not making 5 cards in 5 minutes, no matter how many times I keep telling myself. My 5-minute cards. Oh dear, can you imagine? I'd have like a little heart attack whizzing around this desk. Right, there we go. I'm not going to put any pretties on it because I think it looks nice as it is. Quite vintagey. What do you reckon? Thanks everybody for joining me today. That was the Pretty Birds photopolymer stamp set that I've used, and the sentiment came from Happiness Abounds. Thanks everybody. I will see you all again soon, and everything I've used today is available from my store, slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.